Hello everyone, it's Saturday morning, the 4th of December 2021. I'm going to review the Astro Excel from the past week. You can see the green line trend pattern. As I put out last weekend, we expected Monday to be an up day. Then we had 2.5 days of downward pressure. Then we finished Thursday in an upward move. We peak out on Friday and down the rest of the day. So you can see the price action was pretty much in line with the green line trend projection. Let's switch over to the Vedic timing windows and take a look at what I pointed out yesterday. Here's that chart. We had another really good week of these timing indications being right on target. I had all of this laid out here yesterday on the video before any of this activity took place. Remember, when we get into these windows, we're looking for new highs, new lows, or both to use as triggers. So we got to the first trigger point inside the window, the blue vertical line, but we did not have a new high or new low, so that's not a trade point. The trade point came on the second trigger where we made the new high and got the expected reversal, which was a pretty darn good trade going quite a bit of distance. Then I had this center box laid out here, the smaller box for a likely turn point. At the time, it was a new low. It's still triggered off a decent 20 some 30 20 some point move. Sorry, math's not going well today. And then we pushed down further into the next box where we actually made the low. Remember, the new high and the new lows were made inside that bigger box that I took off the screen here. Again, that was another good trade. Came off of that uh, PH and rainbow trigger point there. And then late in the day, we pushed down, made a new low in the last window of the day. And right on planetary hour projection was the exact low a day, and that set off the late afternoon rally. Let me show you that PH projection as well. So here's the PH chart. I'm just going to show you the one projection. Uh, as we go through the day, we project the larger swing pivot highs and lows. So projecting from the high of the day, from right after the open, look at the P1, P2 block. We're in the gray P2 and in the purple P1. We look forward in the day. We come to the next gray P2 block and purple P1 block, and there we were right in our timing window, right at the low of the day. That is your rectangle area here in the white window, and that blue line put here is that PH trigger from the gray and purple match. So that's a look at what these tools can do, and that's how we put them together. Most of this I can lay out and put out in the morning video to show you what I can in advance. Some of the stuff that happens later is based on the price action as it develops during the day to give us further projections. So if you have these tools, that should help you to incorporate them a little better. If you don't have these tools, you have to ask yourself, why not? Thanks for watching. We'll be back again Sunday, and we'll take a look at our pivot points for December.